Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. The person that sent me this file has already gotten help from a video from Roy Brewer. I was out on the road today, but I thought I'd go ahead and do it for other people and maybe some ideas. So this is like a stencil font. And maybe my suggestion in doing this would be to take maybe the letter, and depending on what material you're cutting it out on. So this thing is a little over a 1/4 inch wide. So I would go for a 1/4 inch and I would make a rectangle with my ratio unlocked. I'm going to make it 0.25 by 3 inches. It doesn't really matter. The longer, the better. But then I would kind of maybe give it a little bit of pizzazz. Instead of putting it right there, why don't we take this angle of the P or the R and kind of make it a little different. So my suggestion would be to take this right here, put that node on that node, double click on your rotation and move it to there. And then just rotate this down till it's on the angle of that P. Now we can take that. And if you were doing this for real, I would probably measure to get it half of it. Then I'm going to hit Control D and I'm going to put the next one here or thereabout. And then I'm going to hit Control D and I would put it like right here. Now we have one more letter, so I'm going to hit Control D. So you only have to do the letters that are inside. Then to make this kind of easier, because what you're wanting to do is those middle parts won't fall out. Say if he was cutting this out of wood and he wanted those letters, the inside not to fall out, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4 inches. And instead of cutting, these letters out, just take your Smart Fill tool and do that and hit your down arrow key. To me, this is a lot easier than trying to cut those letters, cut those marks to make it a stencil, because we are making a stencil font. And there you have it. And then to cut them out, all you would have to, I had the Smart Fill still hooked up. I would take my pick tool and select all that, and I'm just going to left click no fill, right click outline. And of course, he draws evidently something other than hairline, and make sure it will cut out. I think it just gives a little pizzazz. Instead of being straight up and down, kind of go along with the dimension of the font. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.